Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw in my last video, my seats are filthy, so we are going to be cleaning them today. I'm using this product from Meguiar's. Directions. Step 1, shake well. Spray evenly onto the area that needs to be cleaned. Allow foam to penetrate for 15-30 seconds, and then agitate with included brush or towel. Okay. Blot area with a clean, dry towel until area is clean and slightly damp to the touch. Allow the area to dry before use or covering. So let's get started. So as you can see, it is very, very, very dirty. This is like mostly like worn out for the most part, but you know, I wear black a lot, and you could tell that I don't know if the black is rubbing off onto the seats, but as you can see right here, it definitely ain't white. So let's see if this bad boy can fix that. So we got it all shaken up. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. All right. Holy sh! This thing went everywhere. So just a heads up. Be careful with that. All right. What I'm gonna do is just gonna put it everywhere. Just gonna put it everywhere. Like that. Jeez, look, it literally went everywhere. Alright, so now you guys know not to just spray it as hard as I did just now. We're just going to take this towel. It also comes with a towel when you guys do buy it. Yeah, I bought it on Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description. And if it doesn't come with a towel, I actually don't remember if this came with the bottle. But if it doesn't, just get a microfiber towel and you will be all set. Alright, I think it's been about 15 seconds. So, so it wants us to brush it with this or a towel. So let's just see if it's working a little bit. I feel like it is. You can see the soap is starting to get dark. So I feel like it's working a little bit. Oh, look at that. Look at that dirt. All that dirty, soapy liquid. Again, this is just a method that I'm trying. You guys don't have to try this method. But let's see if it works. Jeez. Look at that. This thing must really work because you can see all the dirt being lifted from the seats. Damn, these seats were filthy, bro. Oh my god. How it looks. I mean, you can kind of see the difference. Yeah, actually, you can see the difference a lot. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but there is a big difference. Jeez. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go over this again. But I don't know, I really hope you guys can see the difference. Oh my god. It's like magic. I apologize in advance if the angle is bad. We're gonna go nice and soft so we don't make the same mistake as before. Just let it drip, and we're just gonna let it chill for a little bit, I guess. Oh, look at that. Jesus. This thing is very messy. Make sure you guys have a light finger. You don't spray it too hard so it don't fly everywhere. I will say it does smell very good, so that is a plus. But yeah, let's get to scraping. Same thing with this side. The dirt is just lifting up, which is good. It's pretty impressive. Damn, no way I'm this dirty. That's crazy. You guys can see the filthiness on this chair right now. I think it's been about 15-30 seconds, so we are going to wipe it down now. Here we go. Wow. I didn't do a good job scrubbing, and I can tell just by some of the black marks that are left. This thing definitely works. The seat definitely looks whiter, I should say. Yeah, and I'm impressed with this thing. I'm really impressed with this thing. So we're just gonna run this thing again on this seat right here, and then it should be good as new. I honestly am dumbfounded. This looks so good. I'm at a loss for words because I was skeptical. I thought my seats were too far gone, but they look phenomenal. Jeez. And here, as you can see, this was a little darker. So this is like I guess I could scrub this a little bit harder. I will do that at the end again. But as you can see, it's a lot better than what it was before. It was really, really dark over here. Obviously, this is just the wear and tear of the seats. But, oh my God. Listen, if you have white seats, you will not be disappointed with this. And it works. Like I said, I was skeptical. I didn't think it'd work, but it worked out to perfection. Wow. Alright, so now let's tackle the rest of the seats. So the passenger seat isn't as bad as the driver was. So this is going to look pretty much the same. There's some stuff over here that would definitely go away. Here as well. I don't know if you guys can see. My passenger princess isn't as dirty as I am, obviously, as you can see. And yeah, this will be easier to clean. Same deal here. Shake this bad boy up. Nice and soft. Nice. Oh my God. Jeez. Still went everywhere. Nice and soft. The fact that it smells good is a plus. It smells really, really good. My seat was very dirty, like on the sides, everywhere. This one, not so much. But if you have kids, your seats are gonna be dirty all over. So just be prepared to scrub. When I speak to people about their Teslas, the main reason they don't get white is because the kids, they're gonna dirty it. Which is true, it's inevitable. It's inevitable that if you have kids, your seats are bound to be dirty. This is definitely a good tool to have. And you can just leave this in your trunk, which is pretty cool. Leave it in your trunk or leave it in your frunk and just use it whenever the kids spill something. I don't know if you can see the difference. But yeah. This thing rocks. This thing rocks. So, because I don't have kids yet, my back seats are pretty clean, and it won't be a hassle to clean these as much as mine. All right, here we go. Ooh, oh my God, this thing sprayed everywhere. All right, nice and soft, nice and soft. Not get carried away. Nice and soft. Okay, so we'll get that side after. I'm so excited that this actually works. I thought my seats were too far gone, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Luckily, I don't have much people sitting back here either, so these won't be as hard to clean. And just like that, people, we are all done. And just in time to beat the rain as well. So again, this is what I used to clean the seats. Meguiar's Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. I will leave the link down in the description for you guys so you guys can purchase this, give it a shot. Again, I thought my car was too far gone. I thought my seats were over with. This did a good job, and this is something that you can do every single time you get a spill, every time you get a stain, and it smells good. I think that's a huge plus, because now when I do get back in my car later, I can enjoy that nice refreshing smell. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.